name's Barbara Gleave. I run Wirral Repair Cafe, which is a voluntary organisation. We open to the public one afternoon a month, and anyone can bring in anything they can carry that needs mending, because we want to stop waste. We want people to repair things, we want to reintroduce a repair culture, so we'll help people repair things. The idea is that the repairer will fix it, but we'll show the visitor what we do, so that hopefully they'll have a go themselves. We're based in Birkenhead Central Library on the Wirral. We have about 30 to 40 people, sometimes more, who turn up with an item to be repaired. Well, we don't charge anybody for the repairs, but we do accept donations. In fact, even today, we've just had 3 people interested in volunteering. We'd really like other people in the area to set up their own repair cafes, and we'd be very keen to help them with that financially and with our expertise.